There's a lot to learn about functions. We haven't even begun to talk about parameters and arguments or return values. But today let's look at calling functions from within functions and also writing functions within functions. So we'll start out by creating a main function, and we'll add that little note at the bottom, if name equals main. Incidentally, there's another video that explains why we do this bit. But if you just want to accept this as part of life for now, that's okay too. We've already seen that we can call functions within functions because we've used the print function inside the main function. It's no different from any other function. But we can make our own functions and then call them from within the main function. We just use the name of the function followed by parentheses, just like we did with the print function. The only difference is, for now, we're not going to put anything inside the parentheses. We haven't learned about arguments and parameters yet. So we can call a function from inside a function. Let's run this and just make sure it works. We'll get it all PEP 8 compliant here. All right, no problem. So again, we've called a function main. From within that function main, we've called two other functions, animal noises and print. Print is a built-in function, and animal noises we defined in the context of this module. We can even put a function inside the animal noises function. And we'll create another one. And then we can call these functions from within our animal noises function. Let's run this code. And everything works just fine. Now, one thing to note, we haven't talked about namespaces and scope yet. But because we defined these functions from within animal noises, they won't be accessible from any other function. If we try to use cow says inside main, we'll get an error. Cow says is not defined. We defined it, we can see it up here, but because it's defined from within the animal noises function, it's hidden from the rest of the code, and it can only be used in the context of animal noises. Hope that helps.